It's the ice for me, baby. Ice me. Hello, ice me. You know the ice really bling to you. A true play is what I sing to you. Okay, bye, girl. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl brandie.channail coming to you with another video, y'all. Hey girl, hey. Hello there. I am rocking my Tabitha Brown collection with Target. My hello there black tee. I love this little crop tee. It's so cute. It's not super cropped. It's just barely cropped. So the girls with the things going on with their tummies can still feel comfortable. Thank you. I'm her. She is me. I appreciate you. Thanks, Auntie Tab. Anyway, y'all, today I have a video for you guys. I have a jewelry unboxing. You guys know we stand a good jewelry piece on this channel. We love a good accessory. We love to look good, but we love to do it on a what? Budget. Today's jewelry is sent to us by HelloIce, y'all. When you see the pieces. What? Huh? You said when you see the pieces, you are going to be like, girl, what? So let's go ahead and get into it. Thank you again to HelloIce for sending over the pieces in today's video. Without further ado, let's let it do what it do. Because what? Here is the box. I love how simple it is. I love the packaging. Nothing super extravagant, just a nice box. And I think it came in like an envelope. Yes, y'all know I love it when they don't do too much. Because don't do too much. Just don't. Inside the box, inside the box is the actual box. So here's the outer packaging, but here's the product box, which I love that. Y'all know I love it when it feels luxe, right? I love a luxe experience without having to pay a lot of money, and that's what this is giving, and I love that. This beautiful velour bag here is where our pieces are. We have two pieces today. I'm gonna start with one that's like beautiful, but it's not the one that's my favorite. Y'all gonna fall on the floor. Like when I say fall on the floor, you're gonna fall on the floor. So I'm gonna start with the one that's like bomb, but not the showstopper. Even though it's a showstopper, girl, I cannot. I'm so excited. Are y'all ready? Y'all know I like different stuff, right? Hold on. Get into it. Get into it, ma'am. Get into it. It is a ring. Is that not stunning? Look at how different that is. I have never seen anything like it. You know, and what I love most about it is that you can kind of wear it on different fingers if you want to. I will probably wear it on the way I had it at first, on my pointer finger over my middle finger, because that, y'all, I've never seen anything like this. It is so stunning. Get into it. Have y'all ever seen anything like this? Y'all know I love a good different kind of piece, right? I don't like looking like everybody else. I don't like being super basic. So when I find things that are like unique, it is so special to me. And this is a piece that is unique to me. I've never seen anything like it before. And when I saw it, my eyes, I literally was like, what is that? I audibly gasped. I was like, what is that? And that is what I look for. I look for special pieces. I don't want to be walking around looking like everybody. And so when I saw this, it was giving that. Okay. It's called the Exaggerated Irregular Open Ring. And that's exactly what she's giving. Exaggerated, irregular, and open. Could that be a description for some people? Anyway. She comes in gold and she comes in silver. I definitely want the gold. This was super affordable, y'all. This was like 36 bucks. So like when I say you look good, but you're not breaking the bank. And of course, affordability is relative. So someone may say $36 is a lot. In my budget and for my price range, 36 bucks is like, I'm in there, sis. I'm in there. And like I said, it comes in silver and in gold. I do want the gold one because y'all know how I am. If I have one in one color, I want it in another color. That's not going to change. I'm asking the Lord to work on me. It's not going to change. But this is 18 karat gold plated. So I feel like that's going to do really well with your tarnishing and all of that. That's going to help your pieces last for a really long time because it is gold plated. You do have a 30-day return policy. You got a 1-year warranty, y'all. You got all the things. So I feel like that should help you be confident in your purchase. And again, when it's, you know, when it's the price that it is, and then on top of that, you get all of those other things, I feel like it's definitely worth it. At the very least, it's worth a try because you got 30-day return policy. If you don't like it, send it back. But you're going to love it. That's the gag. The gag is you're going to love it and you're not going to want to send it back. But y'all, I'm just talking about what I'm talking about. And of course, there is free shipping as well. So there's that. Y'all know how your girl do. I don't play about what I'm... When she do stuff, she do stuff, okay? But let's get into this last piece because she's my favorite. And I'm about to show out on the girls. I'm about to show out on the girls. Y'all know I love a good custom piece, right? I love a good custom piece. Y'all, it's the name for me. It's the name in the stones for me. And the necklace is a tennis necklace. Like, it's all the stones for me. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. 18 karat gold plating. They are cubic zirconias, of course. This necklace comes in 16 inches and 18 inches. Mine is 16 inches. A moment of silence, please. What? This is a tennis necklace with my name on it. It's everything I ever wanted. Y'all can't tell me this ain't a bad necklace. Like, y'all, I'm literally obsessed. The quality. This piece feels so good. This piece feels so good. It feels amazing. The quality feels amazing. My name, that's the part that is really impressing me the most. It feels solid and sturdy, and it's still like dainty and girly. Girl, you can't tell me nothing. Girl, what? I put on this black shirt just so you could get a good look at it. Look at how beautiful. Let me let y'all see just how. Girl, what? Girl, I thought somebody had said something. I thought somebody with a regular name necklace sets. Because ours is bejeweled. Like, ours is bedazzled. Ours is sewn. It's stones. We not basic over here. We serving the people with the stones. Like, girl, what? The way I feel, this is definitely going on vacation with me. Oh, baby, she's about to show out. I'm about to show out, and this, you can get this in gold as well. And please believe I'm probably gonna do that. If I do the gold, it's gonna probably say like Lady B or something like that, or maybe Brandy. I won't get it to say Chanel too, but what? Definitely getting the gold. Definitely getting the gold, because this is beautiful, y'all. I'm obsessed. I'm legit upset. I'm legit obsessed. This is stunning. This is stunning. You guys, I'm just talking about what I'm talking about. The shipping was not, of course, this is custom piece. So it was not like next day shipping, right? It did take like a couple of weeks, but that's because they customized it to my name. So I think it's well worth the wait. The quality is amazing. This was under $100. Y'all know these people be out here doing a lot with these name necklaces. This was under $100, and this is not one that you see everybody walking around with. This is quality. The packaging, like everything. Look, everything is just so good. HelloIce, and it's icy. It's cold. You freezing? I'm freezing. I'm freezing with it around my neck. I don't know. Listen. Y'all, I love this. This is one of my favorite. And y'all know I have a lot of pieces, right? I have a lot of jewelry. A lot of jewelry comes through this channel. This is one of my favorite name necklaces to date. It's so unique. The quality is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's, like I said, 18 karat gold, dipped, what do they call that? Plated. Girl, dipped, what? 18 karat gold plated. in both the gold tone and the white gold tone. So you cannot beat it with a stick. And like I said, for the price, baby, what? Free shipping on your orders, 30 days return. What you waiting on, sis? I'll have a link below. Go ahead and click. Thank me later. Anyway, that is it for this video, you guys. I want to thank HelloIce once again for sending over the pieces that were featured in today's video. I love them. And I'm not just saying that, like, I love them. This necklace is everything. I love this ring too, of course. But the necklace, it steals the show for me. I like, what? You're gonna be seeing a lot of her. I promise. Don't even worry about it. It's gonna be beautiful when I layer other pieces with it. Like, girl, talk nice to me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to be kind to one another, love on each other. The world needs so much love right now. We're losing our minds. Gas prices are $10.99 a gallon. Not really, but they might as well be. What? I want to stay at home. What a perfect time to be going back into the office. Golly. But nonetheless, we are blessed to just see this time too. So we have to, you know, everything is about perspective. And so though I joke about it, I'm glad to be among the living. And so we're just gonna have to wait it out, guys, and be good to each other, love on each other, and be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Girl, what do you say? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. I love you so much. Bye. It's the ice for me, baby. Ice me. HelloIce me. You know the ice really bling to you. A true play is what I sing to you. Okay, bye, girl.